Did you know that on an average day in the U.S. stock markets, there are 38.3 million trades made, and that of those trades, 70% of them are made by algorithms? In other words, they're programmed by a computer to trade. They've analyzed the data and they've initiated the trades. Two of the big players in this is Citadel. They manage about $62 billion, and then there's Two Sigma. They manage about $58 billion. So you give them your $1 billion and they charge you a 2% management fee, and they then take 20% of the profits that they make out of algorithm trading. Well, I've learned as a result of artificial intelligence, I can do the same thing. I can build such an algorithm, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to pay for it and put it together and make it a part of our Best of Us Investors package that we're going to put on our website, so you can do algorithm trading just like Citadel and Two Sigma. I'm going to tell you more about it right after I share with you. This is not financial advice. This is going to educate you on what artificial intelligence is going to bring to our trading platform.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.
Since the first of this year, we've had over on our Discord a swing trading platform that's been run by Mark, and we have a good number of people that are making money. You probably saw a video just yesterday where they're made over $2,000 thus far this month swing trading. Well, what we've learned is that Mark basically analyzes these stocks, puts together the criteria that gives him the signals that say that this is going to be a good trade, and he's got about an 87% batting average. Well, I've done some more looking, and Kevin, a member of our tribe, has come to me and said, hey, we can do this with an algorithm. And he said, with ChatGPT and some other resources that we found, we can create that algorithm that basically triggers every day an alert to our tribe as to, hey, this is a stock that fits the algorithm that says that this is a good trade. And then we can program the computer through a text message to tell our tribe members what we believe is a good buy, look into it further, and make a decision. So what does that basically mean? It means we're leveling the playing field with Citadel and Two Sigma, that you aren't going to need $1 million to invest, and you aren't going to have to pay a 2% management fee and then share with Citadel and Two Sigma and Tower Research Capital. You aren't going to have to share with them. You'll basically just become a part of our tribe and support the system that we've built for us to make algorithmic. If you don't want to be involved in daily trading, the other thing we're building is then an algorithm that says, based on past history and past numbers, what are the best long-term investments? So why hasn't this been available in the past? Well, basically, it hasn't been available in the past because it involved programming that most of us were not capable of doing, or if we were, it cost millions of dollars to hire the technicians that can do it. Well, as a result of artificial intelligence, this capability has become available to people like me. If you're willing to pay for it, if you're willing to access the program, and then subscribe to the service that constantly accesses it on a minute-to-minute basis, and then build the infrastructure so that I can notify a group of people who are a member of my tribe that this is an opportunity that we see, look into it, see if it's what you want to do. So that's where I'm going with this. I recognize this world of investment investing is changing on many fronts as a result of artificial intelligence. And the fact that now the knowledge that only the very wealthy had available to them up until 6 months ago is now common knowledge if you know how to access it. And then if you know how to interpret it and then build it. Now, am I able to do this individually? No, I'm not. But I have a tribe. This is something a lot of people have laughed at me about, oh, he has a tribe. What? The fact is, it's starting to come together, that we're putting our heads together and people are raising their hands and saying, I can do that. I can do that if you can do this. And usually what it is, this needs to be done is I need to finance it. And I'm willing to do that. And then I'm willing to share that information with people like you. Because it's not right. It's just not right that only, what is it? I told you yesterday, there are 770 billionaires today in this world, and that number will double in the next 3 years as a result of artificial intelligence. And you and I should be in that double. We should be part of that 770 by bringing our knowledge together and working together and taking advantage of the biggest change that's ever happened in this world. Bigger than the Industrial Revolution, bigger than the digital revolution. This is the intelligence revolution. This is where we take all of our minds, put them together, manage them with a computer, and now the total is greater than the sum of the parts. That's what artificial intelligence is all about. That's what algorithm trading is all about. And if you want to be a part of it, because we're going to have to limit the numbers, we can't let everybody in. You go to our Discord, go to the link in the description, come find the Discord, get in early, and learn what Mark is doing, because what we're doing is taking what Mark is doing and building on it, and then making it even bigger and broader so that more people can benefit. That's best of us investors. And that's us means you and me and everybody else working together to take advantage of what's available to us. And what's just become available to us is a track into algorithmic trading aided by artificial intelligence. Join up, become a part of the tribe, and we've got a wonderful path in front of us. Come join the journey.